In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get your first client as a thumbnail designer in just a few minutes. So this will be a quick tutorial for you guys. I'm going to share with you a website that you should start using and you can get a limited client for your service that you are providing as a thumbnail designer. Okay, let's get started. So you can first you can go to Fiverr and open seller account. Just open an account and you can scroll down. You should see over here become seller. If you just click on over here, you can open your account on Fiverr. Okay, and what you need to do, it's really easy and simple. So next you need to find your first client. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So what you need to do as a thumbnail designer, go to Twitter. Okay, so just go to Google, search for Twitter. If you don't have an account, open an account like this one, just personal account. It's easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, you need to click over here on the search and you will search for I need thumbnail. Okay, like this. So just follow those steps and you can see over here you will find a lot of people are searched for thumbnails. Okay, I need someone who makes thumbnails for YouTube. This one is searching for thumbnails. Okay, this post it's just in this month guys, it's still new. Okay, but let's see, we can find new post that was posted just today. Okay, let me see. I need a drop YouTube thumbnail. Here is another person. He just posted this post today on Twitter. I need Adobe YouTube thumbnail maker. This one is looking for YouTube thumbnail maker. What you will do, you will click over here on reply and you will reply to this person. Okay, you can say, for example, you should go and create a professional message that will present your service as a thumbnail designer, and you can put your message here, click on reply, and your message will be sent to this person. If this person is still looking for a thumbnail designer, he will get back to you. And if you have a website, you can also put your website link, and that's it. Okay, so let's see, you can find a limited. So let me see, let's close this and let's scroll down. I need to improve. Okay, this one to banner, this one is searching for YouTube banner. As you can see, you can also, if you can provide YouTube banner, you can find a lot of people here. I need to learn. Okay, I need a thumbnail for my channel. This one just posted this tweet today guys. As you can see, this one, I need thumbnail for my channel. Probably it will be for YouTube channel. Okay, you can click on reply and you can reply to this person. And if you keep scrolling down, need 2K thumbnail, I'll pay $10. This one is looking for a thumbnail, his budget is $10, as you can see. So if you come to Twitter every day and you search for I need thumbnail, you can find a lot of people every day searching for thumbnail designer, and you can get your first client from here. Twitter guys is really helpful. Just try it. It's for free. You will not lose any, you will not invest any money. You can try this method for free, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you guys, like this video and leave a comment, and see you in my next video.